How to change font size on Snapchat. Hello homies, today I'll show you how to change the text size on Snapchat quick and easy. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. So open Snapchat application. Now tap on camera icon given below. Now click on this icon and capture any photo. And now to add text, click on the top right corner button. Now write your text here. You can select any style you want. Now to make this font size bigger, you can use your fingers and pinch out. And to make it smaller, you have to pinch in. You can also enlarge or reduce a pencil drawing using the same method. If the pen is too large or too small for your liking, use your fingers to pinch it smaller or pull it larger. Just place your thumb and forefinger on the screen and spread them apart for a larger pen. Do the same and move them closer together for a smaller one.